When it comes to door replacement in Dallas, weather plays a crucial role in determining the success of the installation and the long-term performance of your new door. From scorching summer heat to occasional winter freezes, Dallas experiences a variety of weather conditions that can impact material durability, installation techniques, and energy efficiency. Here's what you need to know about how Dallas weather affects door replacement and how to choose the best options for your home. The impact of extreme heat on door materials. Dallas summers are known for their intense heat, with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme heat can cause certain door materials to expand, warp, or fade over time. Here's how different materials react. Wood doors, prone to warping and cracking due to moisture loss and expansion. Steel doors can absorb heat, making them hot to the touch and expanding slightly. Fiberglass doors, best suited for extreme temperatures as they resist warping, cracking, and fading. To combat heat-related issues, consider UV-resistant finishes and insulated core doors that help maintain temperature stability. Humidity and moisture effects. Dallas experiences high humidity levels, especially in the spring and early summer. This can lead to moisture absorption, which affects door integrity. Wood doors can swell, making them difficult to open and close. Metal doors may develop rust if not properly coated. Fiberglass doors remain largely unaffected, making them a great option for humid climates. To prevent moisture damage, ensure proper sealing, weather stripping, and periodic maintenance on your doors. Winter cold snaps and freezing temperatures. Although Dallas winters are generally mild, cold fronts and occasional freezes can impact door installation and performance. Issues to consider include door shrinkage, which can cause gaps that let in cold air. Brittle materials, such as untreated wood, that can crack in sudden cold spells. Improper sealing, leading to drafts and higher heating costs. Opting for energy-efficient, insulated doors helps maintain indoor comfort and reduces energy bills during colder months. Wind and storm resistance. Dallas is no stranger to strong winds and severe storms, particularly during spring tornado season. Doors need to be able to withstand high winds and flying debris. Here's what to look for. Impact-resistant doors to prevent storm damage. Reinforced frames and multi-point locking systems for added security. Weather stripping and proper sealing to keep out wind-driven rain and debris. Choosing a high-quality storm-rated door ensures protection from severe weather conditions. Seasonal considerations for door installation. The time of year you choose for door replacement in Dallas can affect the efficiency and success of the installation process. Spring and fall. Ideal seasons for installation due to mild temperatures and lower humidity. Summer. Possible warping or expansion can occur, requiring installers to adjust for material shifts. Winter. Cold snaps may make materials brittle, requiring extra care with sealing and caulking. Planning your door replacement during milder months can lead to faster installation and longer-lasting results. Energy efficiency and weatherproofing. With hot summers and occasional cold winters, energy efficiency is key to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Choosing energy-efficient doors can reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Lower utility bills by improving insulation. Prevent drafts and air leaks, enhancing overall indoor comfort. Look for doors with ENERGY STAR certification, insulated cores, and high-performance weather stripping to maximize efficiency. Choosing the right door for Dallas weather. When selecting a replacement door in Dallas, consider the following. Fiberglass doors, best for extreme temperatures and humidity resistance. Steel doors, highly durable and secure but need rust-resistant coatings. Wood doors, beautiful and classic but require regular maintenance to prevent warping. Final thoughts. Weatherproofing your door replacement in Dallas. Dallas homeowners must consider heat, humidity, wind, and seasonal changes when replacing doors. Selecting the right materials, proper installation timing, and energy-efficient features will ensure long-lasting performance and protection against the elements. If you're planning a door replacement in Dallas, consult with a professional installer to find the best weather-resistant option for your home. Investing in the right door will not only enhance security and curb appeal but also improve energy efficiency and durability for years to come.